Well, good evening. It's been way too long since I've actually made the last stream, and even a video at this point. So yeah, I just want to greet Glitch Zora and maybe MTS if he's still on. But overall, I think we should be start streaming at this point. Just a few notes in advance. I did switch to Linux. Well, I did go with Debian before, but then I had to switch to Arc because there are some issues with Debian with updates, so things kind of screwed up to the point where I actually had to reinstall Debian. Actually, this remove Debian and install Arc in this case because there was like lots of trouble with while working with Debian on its own. It's a kind of short, long story, depending on the case how I explain it. But yeah, in this case, at least I'm might be able to actually work on the stream in this case. But I'm not sure if it's actually going okay or there might be some lags. If there's any lags or warning while I'm still running this, please let me know. Because I might have put the lower bitrate in this case. So that might be a bit of trouble. But in the meantime, I think it should be still fine. Unless you notice something wrong. Okay, let's just try to go back to this. So as I've said, I'll try to check out some software. And in this case, one of my friends from Finland actually suggested something to try out. One of those Finnish magazine CDs. So I'll try to mount one of those at least. One is called like Computery Retro CD, and I think it's like from in 2000 in this case. Let me try to mount it. So this is in Finnish language, so I'm kind of mostly blind on how to say. I have no idea what it will actually say in some way, so I'll just try to figure it out on my own. So in this case, I guess it's like 100 old programs, maybe. You can actually figure out what everything is. Okay, is there any sound in here, or I think it's fine. For this, it seems to be like some very old retro software, so basically running from Windows 3.1 maybe. Okay, from here I have no idea what's this pellet to Oh wait, those are the games then. Shooting game? No, arcade or... Wait, let me check the other categories. There isn't any kind of specific naming of those, so I'm not sure. Let me just try to play one game that I know. I did notice Mutant Space Bet, so that's one of the games that I actually played a long time ago. It should be on MS-DOS, but let's see if it's going to actually install. I guess this is for copying it, and this is for installing. That is, if it's actually going to run it properly. Also, Storm, this is still running VMware, and at least it's actually running properly, even with 3D acceleration other quotes. On Debian, when you try to enable 3D acceleration, it's just suddenly, how to say, it just managed to get some kind of, say, very dark display with very little amount of visibility. But that's another story in this case. So let me see if I can actually run anything. So that's the shareware version. I think I did have a full version at one point. But yeah, it's just one of those Space Invader clone games. I just run bats. Let me see if I can actually... Oh yeah, there's also the VGA demo that I'll try to check out later if this runs properly. And hopefully there's not going to be any big noise. And if it's going to run. Let's see. Okay, there should be also some music in here, but unfortunately I think the VMware does not support that. So nothing happens here, you find something and then you actually realize that there are mute bands and then you should start playing. Let's see. Control sound. Let's see if we can actually go with basic context. Oh, there is no noise for now. Let me check if there's some other option. Let's see if it's PC speaker. Yeah. Well, at least that will work. When you actually couldn't have any kind of other sound engine or actually any kind of speaker that would work, we had to work with PC speaker. At least that's I had when I had Windows Me a long time before. This should last maybe like few more levels. Because this is still a demo. But yeah, just shooting like around and it's kind of a bit still difficult. Usually the game will be more interesting with some music, but unfortunately they're still not available. And lost life. You can easily lose a life in here just quickly. And strange enough, when you see on the left, you actually can see that some of those, how to say, lives actually appear once and then disappear. And I kind of wrecked the bonus. So you actually manage to get perfect, then you can actually get some power-ups also. Which, not sure how long until we actually get the final stage. Oh, the time warp gem also is kind of very rare, that to occur. As much as it's kind of fun to play it sometimes, it just sucks when you actually just get hit randomly. When you actually didn't want to get hit. Should be still dead, right? Because I don't see I'm still making progress. Or it's until level 1 stage. Or actually never managed to finish it. So those are all possible, how to say, rounds that I actually kind of remember. So basically, there's the classic mode, then having a large bird. Oh yeah, then now the bonus in this case. And this is kind of more difficult because I actually have to target the lane. And now that's the most difficult part. Yeah, no chance in here. Oh, finally. Now it's game over. So yeah, it is shareware after all. And then once again, not with a full stop. In fact, I think this is just a demo. Sneak preview. Never actually managed to see something like this yet. So this is as it explained. Attacking bats 400 for more points. No managed to hit the orbs on the specific lane. And then catching the crystals. Just unfortunately, like the Mega Power one is maybe the most awkward one still. Like you just like get like the strongest shots and everything fires quickly, but it's still just for short term. And even the other power-ups kind of short term also. Yeah, and I also said, well, I actually wanted to escape. But let's see. Message for the young people about video games. That's something I didn't see. So a message from Pop Software to any young people that may be playing. Video games are an escape from real life, not practice for real life. In games you power up, in real life you win by avoiding power games. Turn away from weapons and violence. So basically go against the war, I suppose. Not sure if that's kind of cropped for a bit or... let me see if I can actually just tweak something or... I'll just keep it like this. Okay, let's exit and check the VGA demo. This should be kind of more trippy or less. Yeah, just check for the comment from Glitchy. So mobile games have ruined this type of genre. I'll agree with that, as this has occurred since Android's release of apps in general. So basically, I haven't seen some of those games that include ads and microtransactions in Android 2.0 generation. So basically, from Eclair to Gingerbread. So you were still able to find some games that were actually included in-app purchases, but those were kind of rare because you had not everyone could actually manage to buy them. So that's pretty much like US only thing. Like in Croatia, I wasn't able to buy Minecraft Pocket Edition either. So it took like maybe 10 years until I actually managed to get something like that. But at that point, I just said like, I don't give a damn about buying anything from app stores at all, because most of the apps suck, or they will suck at the point that you cannot actually play them properly anymore. But yeah, back to the demo of FGA interludes by Pop Software. So in this case, you'll see a few seconds from each of 5 different interludes. The FGA interludes contains about 24 interludes, like the ones shown here. You can select your favorite of the 24 or choose random mode to have them switch randomly. You can also set the speed at which the call cycle. It's the perfect program to run when you're stepping away from your computer or whenever your PC has nothing better to do. Which FGA interludes can optionally be run from Windows. An icon is provided to place in the program manager. It's only about $5 cheap when you use the enclosed form and order the space bats at the same time, or order it alone for only $5 plus $3 shipping and handling, and then use the form to check it to Pop Software, PO Box 60995, Sunnyvale, California 94088. Not sure if that's how you usually call the postcodes and all that, but I'm not sure if the company even exists at this point. Let me just check maybe for a quick moment. Software. California, maybe? Nope, I don't think the pop company, the pop software exists anymore. Because it doesn't seem that I'm actually managed to find any results on it on Google. I actually did manage to find something go for the description, but let me just try to switch for a moment. We can actually manage to get a proper window for this. Just a moment. So I actually have to be careful about something in here. Let me just try to... How do I actually now set this up before I actually manage to show something in here? Yeah. Let's try this. I'm trying to just check for the transition part in here, because I'm actually not sure now what's actually streaming in this case. So if I just try to put this in this case... Wait. Oh. Okay, very awkward for me now. Wait. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm still switching like quickly for trying to check for trying to switch the display and shows the information from pop software in this case. But the problem is in this case that that I'm still kind of a bit more confused with the how to say figure out how to apply the stuff into here to display the stuff in here on the OBS Studio. That is. Because as I said, I've just installed the Oracle recently and I still have to figure out how things work in here. Okay, I think I actually managed to get the display on, so let me just try to transition. Hopefully you managed to see it. So yeah, so this should be the pop software. So Mike Poplar in 1986 he realized the game Round 42 under the publishing Elven Software Company. That's still kind of old one. Then later, the company was renamed to Pop Software in Spacebats 2.0. And then that's been kind of developed for a while. And then in 2005 or 2006, Michael created a website for spacebats.net to take orders for the game for the Spacebats game by PayPal. Released version 3.0. Then the forum was made and all the stuff. And then he suffered a heart attack. So that's around 2008, 2006 or 2008, as he says. And he forgot about actually creating the site. And then, whoa. So hold on a sec. So create a website, GameTalk. So where it ended up that people did not manage to get their orders, and then later he actually managed to get a refund. And then it was taken offline for second reopening. The website never came online. McFull stopped replying to emails, and the domain expired and was purchased by Cybersquatter in 2011. And at this point, so it's not even possible to actually get a copy of the game in this case. So that should be this. Just a moment, let me enable the scripts. So those are the games in here. So it's the Invasion of Space Mutant Bats, but it's only shareware, so it's not actually possible to get the full version in this case. Or and don't pay it on their website since they are not actually processing it anymore. All right, let's switch back to other stuff. Oh, yeah, back to this, just to show it quickly. So you get the, how do you call this? Let's say choose skyscrapers. Just how to say more the triangles. One of those, how to say, maybe more in fact. Another triangle effect, and that's it. But that's only 3. So let me try to open this again. Maybe I tried, maybe went quickly wrong. Oh, you actually can get something different then after all. But yeah, and the damn mouse is actually visible in here. Sorry. So actually are able to actually see more stuff. Well, let's try again. So this should also switch for a bit for a few seconds. Yeah, I'm not sure if I remember this one. The copy that I had actually had like always like 5 patterns and nothing more. So I find it kind of a bit awkward that you can actually see a bit more in this case. But that's still kind of limited, so you can then just see it for a few seconds. Alright, let's go back in here and see if we can actually find maybe some other software. Maybe something more local. Wait, so that's for graphic? Paint Shop ACDC, the commenting. Oh yeah, once again, good comments. So again, from Glitchy, what's your opinion on modern design in general? Well, I am using KDA Plasma, which is still kind of modern design in this case, and for me it feels kind of okay. Sure, it's kind of more generic, minimalistic, but in this case, it's still kind of fine with this current style. I would still kind of like prefer the Windows the design like this one, and I think KDE also has the how to say the design for that somewhere implemented, but it requires a few tricks to actually make it look like this. So yeah, I will prefer something either like this or something like KDE that they have. While for GNOME, nah. For Android's material design, I think that's kind of fine, but you actually have to, how to say, it's just the rounded corners are usually like the problem. Not sure if KDE has Excise in this moment. Actually, or if Arc actually has it like with this case. Let me just check quickly. No, I do not have Excise installed in here, and I'm not sure if it's even in here available for now. Let me just check for the remaining stuff in here. Okay, Lotus PC. So this should be, I think this is like for the generating the Lotus system. So basically, that you can actually set up some kind, how to say, an algorithm or pattern that you can actually use to make higher odds for winning at Lotto, I guess. I just don't know. Just don't know if this is like in English or it's still in Finnish. But just take note, Zora. Basically, I think that Excise is just like an app, a test app from actually not more or less of an app for testing the X Windows system. So basically, you can still have it installed separately. So there shouldn't be any problem to actually install it as a separate package. So yeah, or what I'm saying. So basically, it's most likely possible that you can just install it from the package repository and then run it if you want to actually have the eyes. I think that, well, actually I cannot even think anymore. Let me just give up. I was drink something for a moment. Trying to drink beer for a bit, just actually feel a bit more tipsy and actually able to discuss things. And hopefully I'm not actually picking on the microphone at any point, because that might be kind of troubling. Okay, for the auto PC, so come on. So is it Finnish or? Oh, it's not. So it's just for auto PC for Windows 2019. 2019 by Quan L. Brown. It was by Sean J. Brown, version 2.1. I have no idea why does it say 2019. Sorry, this should be a bit more, how to say. Wait, let me check just once again. Auto PC for Windows. Alright, 2019. And let me check this. And this is from year 2000, more or less. So I have no idea why the hell it's saying actually 2019 at all. It's either going to the future to the point where, well, okay, now we actually figured it out. So if I just change the year, even the copyright version changes in this case, I guess. Yeah, so that's it. So even if you go to the very far future, like I think 2038, it might be the case. Let's go to the 2099. I think that's the latest that Windows supports. Oh, yeah, 2099. And in this case, you'll just get the result from here that the Lodo PC for Windows is copyrighted in 2099 by Conan L. Brown. So I don't know like the legal point in this case, but let's just skip this to 2099, just for the sake of breaking the software if it actually ever happens. Let's see, what are the options here? Or settings. So that's for the 6. Just click select. And that's it, I guess. You just get the numbers and nothing much more. Okay, wait, I click print and I think I don't have actually something set up for the printing or let me check. Yeah, I don't have PDF writer, but there doesn't seem to be anything going on in this case if I try to press print. Then you have like the graphic here, which makes no sense, I guess. Like for the distribution. Oh wait, it does actually have some sense in here. So, but I still have no idea what's the point in here. So this is also the one graph, the time in here, and not sure what's in here also. Wait, if I try to select more. Okay, I have no idea what's this also in here, so I'll probably have to check the help. Because if I try to just change the stuff in here, does it make sense? 16 hours range in 1 to 54. Lines to print 11. But it doesn't all work with the print in this case. Wait. Oh, so basically if I try to go with select, does it actually cycle in this case? Or if I try to print? So it seems that it tries to cycle. Oh wait, lines to print 19, but print page. Oh, so if I try to print now, let's send it. Oh, and save it to PDF. Wait, where did I save it? Wait, let me check again. Oh, wrong location. Let's try to put it on the desktop. Alright, we have it. Oh. Whatever happened in this case, Adobe sucks. So, oh wait, let me guess again. So it cannot find the file, even though it managed to open it like after that. And the error occurred when trying to load this plugin. And I just have to wonder if that's maybe caused by the time change. But yeah, in here, we basically have like, how to say, the combination selection. So basically from here, you just can pick one of these and hope that you actually win the jackpot. More or less. There's no guarantee though. I think this is just like generating it randomly. But let's see, what were there more options? 4126 program update offer. Oh, it's a sharer, so you can try it for 30 days. And then you have to register to send by sending $8 to Colonel Brown in Indiana. And that's it. If I try to print that, let's see. Oh, yeah, replace that and let's see what to get. So, name, address, state, and the copy where it was received from, and that's it. Oh, and there's an additional offer. For a fun way to track the professional football season, try ProPick for Windows. The program generates weekly predictions, statistics, schedules, and standings. And it can be maintained from 1 year to the next without requiring updates. So I guess this is kind of something still for prediction, but let me check further. Oh, we don't have any record. Oh, no, don't create. Let's show the odds. Oh, so that's for showing the odds, but it's kind of difficult to even see. So basically, you have like 6 numbers. Just a moment. So you have like 6 numbers from range to 1 to 54. And the odds in here are like 1 in 25 million, 800,037, 827,000, 165. Kind of large odds. Then odds summary. So you can see also see all the combinations here. Let me just check for the my combination that okay, there's odds in here not listed. So let me check if I can actually change this. Can you actually change? Oh, not available until we register. Whatever it is. Okay, 6. Oh yeah, just change the reg here. 1 until 45. Yeah, and I'll just go with this because in Croatia we have Lotto 6 out of 45 and 7 out of 39. So basically this will be one example for the combinations, and the odds in here will be like 1 in 8,145,060. And when it comes to the second option, which is like, oh wait, yeah, there is 7 out of 39. And then we should have the odds in here like 1 out of 39 is 1 in 15,380,937. Or even in here you can actually see it. Alright, this is the odds summary just for the fixed option. But yeah, most of the options, like for actually having some biased options, is not available until you actually make a registration. And you can actually even make a record in here. There's like loading a lotto record, but you cannot actually create one. Oh. Wait, note. Lotto PC is not to be used in violation of any law. By running this program, the operator assumes all responsibility regarding its use. The author of Lotto PC makes no guarantees concerning its output and will not be liable for any losses incurred. Have fun, gamble responsibly. And then the old configuration stuff in here. Yeah, so bias selections can be used if a lotto record has been loaded which contains adequate information. At least 50% of the numbers must have been selected. The program will switch back to unbiased selections if a different lotto record is loaded. So just basically try to trick things based on the existing lotto records. And then for the contacts, yeah, never mind about that. And then about that we solve it. Okay, back. Let's see what else we might actually find. Baseball stats, I think that's like what was actually kind of promoted in a way. Maybe not the same. I think it was maybe for some other kind of sports, but similar, sorry. Skyview, that might be interesting. So that's for the planetary view. So let's install that. Should be done. All right, it's finished. Let's run it. And it crashed. If I try to close it, and yeah, now it froze completely. Can you still go, or? I'm not sure. It's supposed to terminate it. Oh, it's going. Wait, it still didn't terminate. Or it did. No, that's something awkward. So even though I actually managed to destroy this, it's still in here. And I cannot actually get rid of it by now because, well, as you can see, it's literally blocked. Like blocking any click in here. I cannot even click the Windows button, so I'll probably have to, how to say, restart for a moment. Just a moment then. Okay, now it should be working. So if I try to run this thing again, it's probably going to break. Okay, what else? Yeah, let's run this again. There might be something still else. Okay, so we realize that Skyview is going to break the windows. This is for finance, for genealogy, banking, and for the astrology, not astronomy. Oh, for kids, I assume very, very ideal face for this. Okay, actually, let's see if we can actually tweak this for a bit. Let's see. I'll just have to take a picture, I think. I think I did manage to take a screenshot. Let me check. Oh, wait, what I'm trying to look for. Oh yeah, paint. Yeah, just make it large. Okay, now we have the kid in here. So let's see if we can actually tweak this for a bit. I'll just crop this part and I'll try to place it as a side on a side for the wallpaper. So I just need to set up the actual. Maybe I can just like go with this. Should this be sufficient or no? I'll just have to go with the wallpaper first. That should be in here, I think, or no, it's in the plus folder. It's in Teams and V98. Right, we can now have the original. Now we only have to place it somewhere over here and then scale it for in some way. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll just keep it like this. Let's see if we can actually apply it from here, or oh yeah, we can set it as wallpaper. Yeah, make it centered. Oh yeah, you must save it. Okay, I'll save it. Set it, and now we have it. Pretty much ideal for this. Oh yeah, got a comment from SeanDC66. Apparently the soft key disk with 2000 games also has VARs on it, since they just grabbed random files from BBSs at the time. I find Arkanoid the 2, the Sierra game, and a version of Jeopardy, which were all definitely paid games. Yep, yeah, that could be a thing when you actually try to explore online and around. So yeah, it's a possibility. Even though, as far as I've checked on some of my discs that I have, they usually say like it's been scanned from all of those, how to say, computer viruses and all that stuff. Actually, technically malware, and you will actually expect that most of the things in here are kind of legal. So as far as I'm aware, only the only those magazines that are kind of more or less loose on getting the stuff will probably get something even paid, including even paid software in there. Or it might be an error. Even then, people might actually, or the companies might still say, "Oh no, they put the paid software in there now. We must cancel it." So way, just send a report and say, "Apologies, we actually include the paid software and don't install it." For example, I don't know if that ever happened, but I think it's either that or like not giving a damn about it. Yeah, I need to go back to the generate. Oh, there are few mazes: shuttle, fight, snake, memory, GG, and the mystic forest, clock salter, and dangerous cat count. We'll go with win maze. Let's see if we can install that and run it. Even though this quite odd that most of those have like the installer assistance, so they're all kind of the same. So I have no idea if that's done by the how to say, by whoever actually worked on this, or actually on the magazine itself. Okay, let's see. For Wind Maze, this should be pretty simple. It's share, please try it, see if you like it, I hope you do, and pass to your friends, and after a reasonable time, after a couple of weeks at most, you're obliged to register or remove it from your computer. And you have tried it like few times for help. There doesn't seem to be any kind of limitation, I guess. So that's so basically just explaining how shareware is good for you. If you don't use it, don't pay it. Oh yeah. So you must register and pay for the copies within 30 days of first use. But that's for the commercial users in some way. So I actually have an idea if there. Oh wait, not sure. And no charge for this for evaluation. You can share it and all that. You must read this software just like a book. An example for that, this software may be used by any number of people. It may freely move from one computer location to another, as long as there is no possibility of it being used at one location while it's being used at another. I think that's something more or less like how Steam actually works. You actually can have like one account where you run your game, and you have like how to say second Steam client on the same account, and then launch that same game again, and it's going to close the other one, I think, or it's actually close this one, which either one, I guess, because it doesn't allow multiple runs, I guess. So just as the book cannot be read by two different persons at the same time. That's false because you can actually open a book and have a co-op, more or less under the quotes, to read it with someone else. So, and this also can account if you try to do streaming. So you can stream reading a book, so that also apply, or streaming, how to say, a PDF file, so that everyone else can read. So yeah, so the goal in here is just go finish the arrays and finish it up as quickly as possible. So that should be pretty easy. Let's see if we can actually find more difficulty. Oh, okay, that's that's quite difficult. Let's see how much it will take for me to go. If I go actually, oh. Usually for the software that how to say maze solving algorithms, they usually just like go one way until they reach how to say the dead end, and then they fall back to go to the next point, and then they keep just going like that. So just always in one way until they manage to find how to say the final destination. But this can also be quite difficult because you can see how big this goes and what are the risks of getting a dead end. So I would have to like spend a lot of time here to actually even to find a way out, if there are any odds here to actually do that. And I think that this is still also more or less, how to say, just like you don't have like how to say crossing in some way. Oh yeah, this is dead end at this point. So now we have to know where do we actually go back. So the exit is still here, but I don't think there's. Oh wait, there might be like this passage in here, but oh, now I actually have to figure out where did I actually get stuck. Oh, here. So if I still go in this case, I might be able to escape. Close. Yeah. So this is Monster Maze. It took me at least more or less 2 minutes. And there are like 258 dead ends. So if you try to like to solve this randomly, you'll probably have to take maybe an hour to actually solve it without, how to say, taking a wild guess or actually hoping that you actually might find the proper location. But yeah, but it seems that there is also like another way
From here, you can actually go down. Oh wait, you cannot go down. So that's a false option. So yeah, there's the only solution to this. And if you actually went any other possible way, you'll probably get stuck. So that's maybe the most terrifying. But there seems that there's even more of limitation. Let's see. If I try 60 maybe. Okay, that's allowed. Can it go higher? Oh, up to 74. So that's maybe the maximum. But I don't think I'll be able to actually do this because that's way too big. Let's see if there are some other options. So walls low, high. Oh, whoa, hold on a sec. You're telling me that this is, let's see, what? Wall high, blind mouse, and glass. Okay, let me just go back to beginner and see the difference. So this is for the high wall. So basically, based on the situation where you are, you can actually find reveal the walls. So this is kind of more interesting part. Oh, and yeah, that's one. That one is done. And blind mouse, I have no idea what's this. Okay, this seems still the identical. Maybe it might look like the walls are somehow, how to say, the walls might be more like with more curves. So basically, like have like one way more or less, or not sure. Actually, I have no idea what's different between the blind mouse and the high walls. Now for the glass, let's see. Oh, this is completely blind. Okay, that's terrifying then. $514 commented, you should hit the registration option at the top and see what happens. Sure, I'll try. Registration, enter password. Let's see. Okay, it's incorrect. Registration form. So to Frederick D. George, the Flatirons Group, 1550 Calmia Avenue, Boulder. What's CO? I don't think it's. Wait, what's for the CO county? Oh, Colorado. That I assume that is Colorado in this case, because it is USA and it also has CompuServe ID, like the one. I think that is that still like similar to BBS or I don't know. Yeah, thanks 514. So it is Colorado after all. Just to note, I still have some latency difference, so I'll probably either figure out while looking up online or finding in the comment a bit late. So I think the difference is about 30 seconds of delay. Please register me as a user of a Maze Master. Agree to the statements and all that. $15 for US and $20 for non-US or non-Canadians. And options for discrete, non-discrete, or just take $3 off. If you could spare time, fill in the following details to ensure that the future products meet users' needs. I obtained Maze Master from bulletin board distributor, another user, or other constant suggestions, and that's it. Registration info, I think that's something we actually opened already, or I actually forgot. So I printed it, calculate the registration fee, attach a check or money, and mail the registration form. And then you'll get the registration password, support for the 1 year, time on notifications, disconnect, the bonus with extended sound effects for Windows 3.1 with appropriate hardware and drivers. And as a bonus, you'll get instructions for customizing the sounds to your preferences. So I have an idea what's. So I think actually I was not sure what this might mean, but I'm assuming that this might relate to the sounds in here. So basically, Windows usually has like a set of sound effects that you have. So basically you have like the sounds for specific events. But the thing is, you might be actually able to develop either a driver or some kind of, how would say, program or program API library, whatever it is, that can actually really register it under the quotes and add the events to the sounds properties in here. So basically in here you actually might be able to get more events that you can actually set the sounds for. I think this is already an example here for the office, I think. Yeah, wait. I actually haven't ever seen these sounds. This is in Microsoft Office. So let me just check if I can actually do something in the office to actually enable the sounds. So let's open Word for a moment. Hello, Clippy. All right, let's see. Let's see. How do I enable sounds? Okay, that doesn't help. Let's say just sounds. Turn the Office Assistant sound on or off. Insert a sound file into Word document. Change toolbar sounds. Okay, that's it. Click the start button to settings control panel. Double click sounds in the event box, event that you want, but I think that we are missing something here. Wait, let me switch. What was it? So we have the events in here for sure. Oh, this one was designed by Mass and Kilgore. Halcyon.com Maskill. Not sure if that still exists. And I think that I kind of managed to break the loading for the Wayback Machine proxy server, so I'm not sure if it's going to work at this point. We'll see in the future if I'll try that. Let me check. There has to be an option here for that. Let's check again for sounds. Troubleshooting, turn off toolbar sounds. Okay, I think we have it in here. Tools, options, general tab. Clear the provide feedback with sound checkbox. Okay, so that's it. Okay. That's not supposed to be the sound that was played. Oh, you can hear this. Let me just increase for a moment. What else can you do? Oh. Oh. Okay, I think that's was done by. Okay, now. Yeah, that's just for the hint for the Excel. Okay, never mind for that, Clippy. What else? What other sound effects are here? Let me check. Let's see. Let's see once again. Okay, add item to view. Alert. Wait. So what's add item to view in this case? Okay, that doesn't help because that's not related to the event. Autocorrect. This fit. Clear, cut and clear. Yeah, that's what we heard. Backspace doesn't do anything, but delete. Delete doesn't do anything yet. So if I try to go with, is there delete in here? Wait, maybe deleting this. Okay, that can apply. Oh, wait, that's for the mouse. I was wondering why that was the cursor going with a mice at this moment. Okay, let's resize back and check for the sounds again. So we have the delete row. That'll cancel. Oh, okay. Oh, so that's okay. So basically, if I try to close or close, maybe it actually requires. Oh, so it actually goes with the dialog option from here. It doesn't work with the assistant in this case. Drag. Wait. Uh. Oh, maybe I could try to increase the font so I can actually see this for real. Maybe for real big. 72 points usually works in here. Let's just add fewer lines and then cut, paste. Yeah, drag and drop, expand, collapse, folder switch, scope switch, insert row. Okay, let's go maybe to the Excel in this case. Can I resize this? God damn it, it doesn't allow me. Wait. Okay, that's deleting. And if I try to insert in here. Ah, that works. Ah. Kinda clever. Kinda. It's more of a gimmick. I still don't know what's the new item in this case. I mean, I can actually put on a clip art. Let's say just the house. And yeah, I don't think it doesn't seem to do anything with that. Oh. Oh, wait, is this? Oh. I guess things broke. So the document is more or less broken now. Or whatever happened. I have no idea. Apply scroll. There's so many events in here that I haven't ever heard. Oh, process complete. So that was the noise. Redo. Reminder. Scroll out arrow. Let's see if we can actually. How do I actually do the reminder then? Track work on documented files into Microsoft Outlook. So I guess that's for the reminder in this case, so that you actually have to use Outlook and probably the thing in there to actually do things. Let me just check. Reminder. I guess that's for the tasks in here. Due date. So, oh, okay. Play the sound. So the due date in this case will be. Okay, that's kind of tricky because I have different date in here. December 31st. So yeah, so that's today. That started today. Reminder at technically midnight at 11 minutes. Does it work? 7 close. Oh, sorry. So at this point, the sound should be played at one point. Then send, sort, toolbar, clicking, undo, view switch, zoom in, zoom out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the usual MSN stuff, just for the sake of it. All right, I think we've done enough with the office sound effects. Yeah, no, not needed. Is it supposed to play? It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 minutes already, but... Oh. Now it actually did remind. Remind me again. I just have no idea if this was... Oh yeah, it did actually remind me just at the moment when I tried to set the sound, which was kinda thinking that it was simulating it. But I have no idea if it's actually going to do that while it's not running. Most likely won't. But yeah, back to the game. We had the glass, kind of the score display, show computer solving, time computer. Wait, let me check this. Time computer. How do they actually do that then? Oh, so there's the score actually goes like that you actually lose points if you try to go back or actually make any single change. Not going back, but making a single change. That's actually, that's another thing. But what else in here? Oh, yeah, so. Oh, you solved it in less than the second, so in instant. Yeah, pretty clever. All right, let's see if I try 74 and 74. How long it's going to take for you to actually solve it in this case? Let's make it. Let's try to solve it. All right. It's either my PC is so strong, so fast that at this point that this actually managed to solve it so that quickly in less than a second still. Let's see once again. Oh, even less, even less. One more. All right. Let me just check one more thing in here. Let's switch just back to the blow and try to solve again. So net in 0.16 seconds. 16 milliseconds, more or less, I guess. So now the question is, what's all the yellow part in this case? So if we try again and oh, no, don't print. I don't want to actually solve that in real life. I think that in this case, it might be showing all of the parts that are actually accessible, or actually I'm wrong. It's not that they're accessible, that those are the parts that the computer actually went through. You can actually see from this way, it always went from the top left. So basically go up and then go left. And then it cycled through all other options. So let me check. So I'm not sure, so I cannot think properly, but it seems that going to the right was the lightest option here. So basically go up, then go right, then go down left. So I guess the first option should be like down, left, up, and then right. So in that cycle, it can still keep going until it actually manages to figure out the correct location or exit. Usually this algorithm I have an idea if that can be even improved in this case, because the computer will probably just keep going further until they actually manage to reveal what's the actual preferred how to say exit. So I don't think even if they how to say knew that this might be the shorter way, they still have to check how long does this take and this does take. So probably taking a few more cycles. Black and white, oh yeah, that's just the color. Turn sound off. Oh, that's just for the noise. Oh, it's show computer sound. So yeah, that was probably for the show computer sound part. I think that's all we actually managed to get. Is there any help in here? Oh yeah, let's see if there's still something special in here. Oh, so the bonus was for the great sound effects, maybe for the game itself. Playing the game window. Scoring, yeah, step values, standard penalty, and then intermediate bonus. Okay, so there's the detail, probably the detail for the glass option, or actually for the other options. Let's see. Low walls allow you to see the whole maze before restart. Wait, let's go back to the. Damn it, where is that option? Maze size. Oh, walls menu. Okay, so this is what this is setting, so you can see them. The high is more realistic. Too tall to see over, but once you enter the maze, the mouse can see the walls in each direction. If a wall is in one direction is far away, the mouse can see that far. We'll see all the side walls and side passageways. Blind mouse, so this should be a tough setting. Like sure, the mouse is blind. The mouse only knows the walls immediately around which can be felt. You explore a lot of dead ends this way, but this is the way the computer solves the maze. But hold on a sec, that kind of makes things a bit awkward. So just a moment. So if I go with blind mouse like this and try to move the window. Okay, so I'm not sure what might be the case in here. Like this one and the high one doesn't seem to provide any difference as far as the scene. Oh, and the help was in here. Oh, about Maze Master, Association of Sharer Professionals, member of that. Over 1992, the Flatirons Group, all rights reserved, unregistered copy, please consider registering now. Do you wish to quit? Yeah, I wish to quit again. Okay, that took a while. We had Win Maze, Smart Maze. Let's see if we can actually do this quickly. I'll just run from here so I don't have to install it. Okay, info, useful generating. Try for 15 days, registration $9, or you can just keep the copy for $12. You can actually get the newer version. And then basically kind of the same story. So make a maze. Oh, you must use the initialize feature before maze can be built. Okay, initialize then. Subscript out of range and it crashes. Initialize again. Okay, let's try now. 5, make the maze. I'm not sure if it's just me or this is kind of awkward. You must initialize the again. Okay, make maze again. So you basically have to initialize first, then make maze, and then you can actually start solving. But you cannot actually even solve it because it's not letting you to interact with this. So solution. The solution is apparently broken. It's just showing like the partial way. So for the registration, what's again? It's saying like, how to say, $9 or $12 for this. And the win maze was how much? Win maze was 15 or $20. So in comparison with this at least actually managed to give you some proper option in here. Oh, what the hell happened in here? Okay, I have no idea what happened at this point. What's the rendering issue in here? But basically this feels a bit broken. Or it's something wrong with my virtual machine. But at this point I haven't seen this problem before. So you can make maze, initialize, print. Yeah, let's just at least print with solution. At least that might work. Go to desktop and let's see how this will work. You're going to open it, right? Right? It froze. Oh dear God, what is it? Where is it? I'm supposed to open this. Okay, just a moment. I should be just able to disable the plugin maybe in here. No, don't show it full screen, damn it. That's not enough for me to suffer for actually seeing this damn thing. And it's even broken in here, yet incredibly. Uh, what's... Where are the options here? Preferences, plugins. Come on. Oh my god, I cannot even disable the plugins in here. Yeah, there isn't any option to actually disable the plugins as far as I'm aware in here. So that's yet another thing to do. Stations, forms, compare, labelings. Nothing. Wait, about plugins. Well, yeah, I would like to know more about plugins, but I cannot actually disable them. Yeah, thanks again, Adobe. Even if it's way too old for now. Registration, oh yeah, I already opened that. Cancel. Help. Oh, that's the help. Print, solution. And alright, you must initialize again. Initialize it. So wait a second. So you can actually click the options in here, or you can also use the options in here. Oh, printer error. Bye bye. So yeah. So basically, this thing basically behaves the same way from here and here. So vertically or horizontally, the option is the same. Oh yeah, and remember, the Smart Maze is a shareware program and requires the user to register in order to continue using it past the trial period of 15 days. At least it's not $15. But yeah, this one sucks. Okay, so let's see for the next thing. What do we have for the junior? Okay, close this part. Shuttle. What's this then? Okay, well, let's rather install it because maybe that seems to work much safer than just running it from the CD. God damn it. Okay, it's done. Okay, shuttle. Shuttle 1, left, right. Oh, it's one like those lander games. So I actually had to move around and, well, land. Now I have to guess, like, is it left or right for a bit? And it's quite slow. Very, very slow. I think whenever I try to look at it, it feels like I'm going to crash. Like this way or this way. Very, very close. But actually that's the exact way that you can go. So good job. And wait, this is the second stage. So wait, I have to... So if I try to land too early, it's probably going to fail. But if I try to land like here, is that going to be fine or... Good landing. Is there anything else? Okay, park on the X one. Time left to go get to X, and it's NASA, and this is the shuttle. Right, forward. Okay, let's speed this up. Oh damn it! You need to tap quickly because you cannot actually go other way. Did it go up? Backward? That's it, right? That should be in the X. Oh. Oh. Okay, great. So what's next in this case? Shuttle 2. So this feels like it's going to keep going over and over. Let's see. About shuttle. Hey, Kruna stuff. how to play. To play this game, you must make it to the top without hitting the walls. To move to the left, push the button labeled left, or to go to the right, push the button labeled right. To start, click the shuttle. When you die or succeed, you may select a new game. To that, go to the file menu and select new, then press start. Have fun. So in this case also, you have to go again to the right and hope that you won't actually crash. And then wait once again until it actually goes through. Clicking doesn't help either. Oof. This is something I haven't seen for a while, but this should be written in Visual Basic because I did say the Visual Basic library runtimes being installed while this was running. So is it possible this will just show differently? So for the help in this case, this one is easy, or isn't it? All you have to do is land in front of the red line and behind the blue one. Click the shuttle to start. Now the question here is, how far will this actually go? Like, for now, it's pretty easy. You can also accelerate for a bit. Oh. Park on the X2, so let's see for this one how to play. In this level you'll want to get to the X before the next shuttle lands. Yeah, didn't say much with that. Alright, so once again, I just have to go forward quickly. I have 2 seconds less. So basically, the difficulty does increase in either way. So I have to just get faster and faster, apparently. And then I guess stay in here. Or I have to basically match. Uh-oh. Whoa! Almost felt like was going to fail. And then and once again, it should go faster and faster, apparently. So how long this might actually take? We'll see. Oh, Explorer crash. That explains for it. Let's see in the meantime if we can actually... Oh, that's kind of close. I thought that was actually going to get hit. Okay, land. Yeah, at this point it gets simple. What else do we have? Oh, can you actually open this or... Oh, whenever I actually try to do it, then I actually have to switch here. And I actually cannot use the arrow keys for this, so I have to keep tapping all the time. And this is supposed to be for the kids. I have to wonder how they will actually suffer from this at any point if they actually fail. So what if I actually don't manage to center it like in here on the X? So what then happens? Oh wait, the line actually gets even lower now. But the shuttle keeps staying at the same speed. Oh, damn it. Wait, what's Rich? Oh, that's Rich City. The shuttle. We'll try the Python also in this case. That should be at least a simple snake game. Let me just go back and maybe see if there's some other things. Yeah, I'll try also install this thing. So this is GG and Mystic the Forest, so we'll also check out that for a bit. And oh, come on. Oh gee. We also tried Clock Solitaire. Okay, installation complete. Did it open, right? God damn it, let's try again. Because I wonder actually what's the clock's alter in this case. And I have no idea if I should try the angel account thing. Oh, god damn it. Whenever I try to switch it, it just fails. Okay, let's just go back quickly to this shouting. And keep going again until we actually manage to reach the end. Not sure if the doubling even works in this case. Go up, go up, go up. And then it's going to open it, something else again. Okay, let's see again. I guess this is just for the counting. I think that's not something big. Oh wait, there's more. God damn it. Walk some brain cubes. I think I actually have played this before, but I'll also try it now. It might be a memory game, more or less. So it should be just a quick one. Even though I'm trying to say like it's a quick one, I'm actually spent like 1 hour at this point. Okay, let's see, go back to this. Oh, now this is getting complex. So there is some difficulty in here, but just you just have to get it, how to say, get it on time in here. Can go faster, right? This feels very slow still. Even I kind of touched the red bar, it didn't actually kind of acknowledged. Actually, let's see. Let's just see what happens when I try to just land it on the red thing, red bar, because I don't think we can actually handle any further from this. At any point now. You'll expect that it will crash somewhere below the bar, somewhere in the middle of the bar, but you will never expect that it will actually crash at the end of the bar and it will keep going up and up until it disappears. At least it doesn't crash. And then you're back to the 1. Oh, there's from 1 to 8 also. Wait, how many trackers was this? Karate Man. Jump, punch, kick. Oh wait, you cannot do this. Ever seen a fun fighting game on Windows? No. Well, here is one. You will find it on on computer in the next few weeks. This one is still under construction. This is one part of it. Karate Man, coming to you by Ray Kruna stuff. Okay. So that's something unexpected. Let's just see the stage 8. I was hoping that stage 8 will be much difficult. Oh. Okay, now it actually crashed in here. So what if I keep going? Okay, this is actually difficult because I'm trying to click right all this time and it's still close to the crashing. And no, it's a good job. Even though I actually made it crash. Oh. Go down, down, down. Okay, that's scary. And now I actually have 16 seconds here. I think that's barely impossible at this point. So now keep pressing this damn button until you actually reach the end point. And hope you actually made it exactly. Oh, damn it. Now it's actually going to make noise all the time. Oh god. Wait, now I have 30 seconds and still on stage 8. I'm very confused by the logic of this. And even then, I did manage to like guess to the X at one point, but it didn't actually manage to register it. Oh dear, it's going down. Oh, you beat Shuttle. Technically, I kind of cheated, but yeah, I did beat Shuttle in this case. Okay. Now that's done. Okay, so we have Brain Cubes, Polypython, Clock Solitaire, and Gigi and the Mysterious Forest. Who is that going to happen? Is Wayback working? 514, it's currently not working. Or at least as far as I'm aware, I didn't try. Yeah, it doesn't seem that it's working in this moment. So that's kind of broken for now. Sorry about that. I'll probably have to see how do I resolve that in the future. I'll probably have to run another virtual machine for that. So yeah, sorry, I didn't actually manage to finish setting that up. I'll try to do that maybe some other time in the future. Also, I'll try to just give a minor break to actually drink something. All right, let's continue. Okay, for the clock solitaire, register copy. If you plan to using it past a reasonable relation time, you have to register it. Okay. So clock solitaire, 12:38 a.m. It's about. Well, it would be nice to see what's actually shown in here. So let me just try this with some minor trick. If you're not actually going to show the window, then I'll try to show it like this. Okay, Clock Solitaire version 1.1, programmed by Barry C. Fanion, CIS 71712 Wait, is that computer or no? I have no idea what is it. Special thanks to the Richard Sands for his VB cards DLL, which makes this program what it is. Programmed in Visual Basic for those that don't see. Okay. So yeah, I couldn't see because you can barely see at this point. So help, how to play. When the game starts, cards are dealt out in a shape of clock, with aces located at 1 o'clock position, to the clock position, with the giants located at 11 o'clock position, and queens are located at 12 o'clock. The kings are located on the center pile. Once all the cards have been dealt out with the top cards in the center pile dealt out, the top card in the center pile in turned over. You begin the game by dragging this card to the correct pile. A card dragged to the correct pile will be placed on the bottom of that pile, and the top card of the pile is turned over. Once all 4 cards in a particular pile have been played, the pile is crossed off complete. Turn over the cards. So I have to warn them if this is even possible to go with. 8 o'clock, let's see. So this should be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 3 o'clock. That's 3 o'clock already. 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Queen, ace, ace, ace 1, 6, 10, 10, 3, 7, 7, 7, 4, jack, 6, jack, 2, 2 in here. 9. Queen. Oh, wait, that's here. 12. King, queen. 4, 4, 5, 2, queen. Oh, queen. 12, 11, 4. So queens are done. 9, ace, 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, king, 5, jack, 11, 10, 10, 9, king. Sorry, lost. You had 10 cards left. So what the hell? So what the hell is that now? Okay, let's see. So hold on. So is it even possible to go any other way? Because it feels like kind of more or less rigged in this case. Because I can go only one way. Wait, there's 9. What? Where the hell? Oh. Okay, let's see again. I might be missing something. So let me check when the one stack is at least clear. So if I move this here, okay, I cannot move this here. Okay, a card jacked to the correct pile will be placed on the bottom of that pile, and the top card of the pile is turned over. And once all 4 cards are kind of played, score stuff. So you can actually just move one card at its specific point, and you cannot move it anywhere else, as far as I'm aware. Are you 514 tools S? Are you using ProtoWeb? Facecam when you should also do a card rate monitor. I'm not using ProtoWeb. I'm using like my own proxy server, which is kind of more or less how to say, not that great, but it kind of works. But I'll see if I'll be able to switch ProtoWeb at any point. We'll see. For the facecam, I'll probably not do that because I don't think it makes any sense for me to do the facecams at any point for now. Also, I don't want to spend myself like reacting with my face. I'll just like to go with speaking more or less at this point. If I actually have to do any facecam, that's going to take a few more years. Also, for the heart rate monitor, I still actually have to get some kind of a heart rate monitor first. So basically, I have to get some sensor and actually connect all that stuff and figure out how that even works. If I actually manage to do that, I'll probably do it. But we'll still see for now. Okay, connect. Is this the only thing that you can actually do? Once before turn all the cards before the 4 kings in the center pile are turned over. If the 4 kings in the center are turned over before all cards, the game is over. The odds of winning are approximately 200 to 1. So this means for every 100 games that you played, you should win 1 game. Oh god. So that explains that this game is basically rigged. That sucks. Card back. Oh. So you can pick like between a few patterns that doesn't help at all. Record the games. You have played 1 game of which you have won 0. Yeah, that's very nice. Oh yeah, and the voting that didn't work. Column, that's saying for registration. Oh, let me just check for the registration info. Shaver, if you want to register, it's $5. Okay, at least it's not too big price. Oh, yeah, so it is actually competitive ID after all. Oh, maybe offering some, how to say, of a challenge where we don't actually have to make it more or less one way would be actually a nicer option. Okay, PolyPython, maybe that will be a bit more interesting. Layout Westware, Wayout Westware presents a PolyPython polyometer with the score, lives, bonus level, and miles to go. Let's see if we can actually run. Portrait of Python, next screen. Oh, okay, it runs. Oh, collision. Oh, then so basically if I try to go press back, I get killed. So this is using, I think it's using the speed speaker. But this looks like, oh, so it's actually using the interface. Well, actually, that's what I'm saying. So you basically have the preview from the polyometer. You can see the preview of the stage. Oh. And I keep forgetting about the collision part. And then you have to start over. Let's see if I can actually finish this off. For now, controls seem fine. It doesn't get stuck unless you go reverse, but that's your own fault. Alright, in this case, it's my fault. Very simple game. Still very simple controls also. Actually, what I'm saying, the controls are as usual, but at least case it doesn't feel like it's kind of delayed or actually broken. I've seen some Snake games that when you try to press some arrow and then it gets kind of in delayed attention where you try to press it and it gets, how to say, registered way too late. But it's kind of scary when you go like with this, how to say, with this camera position because it's quite offsetting. Or better to say the camera offset in this case is quite late. Oh. And completed. Oh crap, I've even forgot about the sound. It might be too loud. What an amazing screen. Wait, let me check for the how to say how noisy it is. Have you ever done the drug things? No, I didn't do any of those. I don't have any experience with that and I never want to consider that. Oh. Ah, damn it. I've just lowered the sound for a bit so it doesn't get like very, very loud. Maybe just a bit. Oh, game over. And I'm done with here. Simple game, nice game. Seems to work well. But yeah, 514. I'm not taking any drugs, if that's what you mean. Even though everyone else like seems like they're trying to take like anything trippy or all that. For me, no. The only thing that I'm drinking is like beer, and that's basically I'm not sure how much alcohol it is, but I usually just drink it like when I want. Basically, maybe once or twice in a week, but not to the point where I get drunk. Just to the point where I just feel tipsy at least, because it sucks when you actually try to just drink a bunch of beer and then feel like you're completely drunk and then kind of regret it a few hours later. Or at least the next morning. So yeah, that's something. That's why I actually want to avoid that. Okay, for registering, what you get, you will gain the satisfaction of knowing you are encouraging the development of quality shareware programs. Thank you for supporting the shareware concept. So that's it. Oh, so you can actually have the screen builder. You have more lives, extra life, and yeah, registering. So let's see. So you think you mastered the PolyPython? How about creating your own challenging screens? Yeah, so you cannot actually have your own. So new, oh, wait. So actually, what's actually, oh wait, so it probably means that you cannot actually do much in here. You have high score. Scheme of things, Gwentool, surprise me my way. I'll probably have to rerun. Let's see. Just see for the extra options. Scheme of things, surprise me my way. Icon, boring, radical. Okay, let's see for the boring icon. Altitude, then I'm working on guard snake. Yeah, that might be probably slower. Control, keyboard, mouse, auto screen set. I guess that's just showing the existing options. Okay, let's see. Oh, you can actually pick high soar. I think this is slower. Oh yeah, it's the speed. Oh, and it's the US flag. Right. Alright, I think we got enough of Python. Brain queues. Oh, that's still just running. So basically someone says game. Alright. Okay, distribution policy. Freely copied and distributed. As long as it's not modified. Send 10 bucks if you like it. It will register a copy to the latest version. Oh, don't print. By Malcolm Dworkin, and special thanks to Nina, Boris, Maya, Dima, Blood, Solid, Greg, Matty, All, nice voice and girls at Comp Idea. Oh, damn it. Is there any other options or? Yeah, okay. So it's just basically for the patterns, nothing much else. Okay, so J first. Welcome to the GG's Fairyland. Take care traveling. Let's close this and start. Okay, very awkward. Oh, wait, no. A black oh, okay, okay, I have an idea. This music, like, was very odd already. So I have to turn it out for me. Let me just, oh, jeez. I'm on load. Oh, please start from beginning. I can't seem to find the save file. I actually wanted to go with the start list. Okay, we'll try to with the music, so take caution. So basically, it's an adventure game. So I'll probably stay a bit silent so you can just hear to the things. Okay, I cannot handle the music anymore. It's getting all over my ears. Oh dear God. Let me just try to start from start. So yeah, the black little kitten Gigi continues on his journey in search of the country of fish. A few days ago, he was eagerly chasing after a fish flying by. He found himself in a forest he has never seen before. He paused for a moment and surveyed his surroundings. It was dark, deep forest indeed, but he felt excited at the new adventure waiting for him. What a strange forest. From the direction that the fish swarm, they probably passed through this forest. Meow, and all that. I think I'm lost. I don't even remember from which way I came from. Might just keep going on into the forest. I have to go with the mouse. Oh, damn it. Once again. Oh, the enemy son appears. This guy, scratch. Great attack. Didn't seem to have done any harm. Watch, right? Punch. Did you punch? Not much effect. Didn't seem to have done any part. Launch. Uh-oh. Scratch. Still looking cool. The dog lost functions. GG gain 2 strawberries. Launch. 2 strawberries. Oh dear. Oh dear god. Scratch. Scratch. Oh dear god. I haven't moved in a bit and then I was already attacked twice in a row. Oh dear god. So just have to hope that I'll actually manage to even finish this. With the strawberry. Another strawberry. Oh dear god. Cannot expect that this will work. Another strawberry. Another strawberry. Oh, come on. Wait, let me just quit this thing for now. Another strawberry, strawberry, strawberry again. Keep stocking up. Even though like the position of the strawberry is like here on top left, but the cat is like in the somewhere below of that, it seems. So I have no idea how it's actually positioned. It's very awkward though. Oh. A little guard wearing a red hood is crying by the roadside. What's the matter? Maybe sniff sniff. I was on my way to deliver this apple pie to my grandma who lived in the forest, but a greedy looking dog suddenly jumped in front of me. I ran and escaped, but I tumbled and scraped my leg while running. You'll be alright, it's only a small scratch. Just go over to a brook and clean the dirt off. I'll deliver the apple pie for you. Just return and wait here. Thank you very much. Granny's house to the west. After handing Gigi the apple pie, the little girl went to the brook. Well, I better go deliver this pie. And doesn't apply for a lunch, apparently. So I have no idea where should I even go. So now we're just getting strawberries. But apparently that should be fine. Oh, damn it. Oh, I escape. Okay, so that's a possibility to escape also. Wait, don't go away. What did you say? A wolf just went into that house. What, a wolf? A very nice granny lives in that house, but she probably cannot be helped now. Oh, poor lady. What should I do? Well, probably go ahead and you better don't go that way. I don't want to be responsible for what might happen to you. I have to rescue Granny. Well, I do see some strawberries in here, so let's do that first, maybe. Oh. Okay, go back, just get some strawberry. Go up a bit and... Oh. So yeah, I was just like going below the strawberries and it didn't collect, so I have to go up in that case. Strangely enough, there are like lots of strawberries in here now. Very large amount. There's even more. Oh dear god. It might feel kind of practical to just click around like this. This is the way out, but I couldn't live without help grinding. Okay, I think we have enough strawberries to actually survive. Or wait. Let me just check something. Looks delicious pluck. Yuck, just holding makes my eyes water. I couldn't eat this something that looks this hot. Unfortunate me. So this is probably jalapenos or no, red hot chili pepper. Or wait, that's the group. It looks delicious, but it's too spicy. I couldn't eat it. Just tell me that you actually managed to pick up something so that we can actually give it to the wolf. Because it doesn't make sense that you actually just leave that out. Oh yeah, I cannot go through. Oh god, let's try to run over. Okay, escape. Okay, so I cannot actually go through yet. So I have to find something else still in this forest. Oh damn it, okay. So what the hell I'm doing? I'm just trying to feed the damn cat to help the girl to actually get to her grandma to actually get the apple pie apparently, but it's still going awkward. So what's in here? There's old man. What's this we have here? Unusual guest in our part of the woods. In this part of the woods. Carrying a lunch like that, are you going to a picnic? No, sir, I'm on a journey. Impressive for a young thing like you. Oh, I almost forgot. A big bad wolf lives in this forest. Be very careful of it. If you encounter any trouble, come visit me again. Excuse me to bother you, sir, but I'm in a real pinch. This and this and so and so. Oh, well, that's a real problem. We have to rescue Granny somehow. I won't be able to do so much with this body, little kiddo. I could assign it to a task if I could do it, but the opponent is a wolf. These all heads. To the south, here there goes a tree called Hot Extreme. That's basically the tree that I actually did see. The berries of this tree are so hot that anyone who eats it seems to breathe fire from his mouth. Throw that berry into the wolf's mouth. This should get rid of it. You could help the grandma after it's down. Shiver, I'm a little bit scared, but I must go and do it. Good, good. I know that you could do it. So all the way back. Oh no, and again. Uh, damn dogs. So once again, going all around. What the hell is this? A woman is picking still wine fruits. Dear me, what a strange cat. Nom nom. But that's very invigorating, isn't it? Got a cold harvest this year. Thinking of making some jam out of it. My jam is prized by neighbors. Whatever this meant. I guess that's basically for the second launch in here that you could do it, but yeah, no luck. Oh, damn it. Uh, uh, it's kind of difficult even to figure out if the cat is even okay at this point, because during the fight it's not possible to indicate that except by the text, but I have an idea if text, what's the text like, how to say legit in this case. Like it might be either too strong or too weak. Oh no, not again. So I guess only attacking should be sufficient. Okay, we are back to the berries in here. This must be pluck. Just holding it makes my hands warm. Picked up a hot extreme fruit. At least that fruit should do it. Oh no, not again. I was hoping that GG punch will be actually more stronger. Oh. Oh. Okay, bye bye. I cannot handle this. Well, that pie goes down in the trash, abandoned forever. Is there anything else left in here that I might consider checking? eDesk, phone book for Windows, Word Express, World Time, Window, RPN Calc, MinNoteApp, MyDefX, Eudora, business cards, WinClean, WinZip, WinSynFo, WinMenu, WinAKG. I think that's just for the CPU size. Syswave, might as well. About William for Scratch by 13 years old. Believe it or not, taking previous Syswave. Jordi Albornoz, the author. Distributed as is. Yada yada yada. So, what's it? Click on a button to hear the sound associated with it. So yeah, just playing all the sounds. That's all it has.
Thank you for using Syswave.
And that also. What else we can actually find in here like that? Reset resource, transfill, rip space. Yes, for just for the size. So those were the tools. Wait, those were the tools. Nothing. Graphics in here. But yeah, those are all other games in here also. Let's see if we can actually manage to find something else in here. I did play Dominate before, but not this time. Oh, Bang Bang and Bob and Arrow. That's a classic already. There's also Pool Room. Let's go with that. Yet another PC speaker regret. New game. And how to start. To break, but how do you even start break? Options between player 1, player 2, table size, pace of the game. How do you start? Start the game, 8-ball pool. Usually if you try to start to break, you will actually have to, how to say, place the ball in here. Okay, play the game. Start new. Point the mouse on the line and press the left mouse button. Oh. And then now what? Move the mouse pointer to the point where the ball is to move and press the left mouse button. Okay. Change speed. To set the ball. Oh. So, right. Cannot shoot behind the line. I'm sorry, what? So you're actually asking me that I have to aim like this. Oh my god. And I still have to go. Oh dear. I have no idea if I actually have to go with solid or strips, but... Oh. Okay, well, this is getting quite awkward. I'm not sure if it's me or the physics in these things are very, very awkward. I did play pool or actual billiards before, but this is actually now confusing me because usually we expect that to actually go from behind, not in front to aim, or actually even apply. Wait, how far can you actually increase the velocity in this case? Oh. Okay, let's see 40. Okay, let's just make the whole mess in here. Yeah, we'll just go with 40, just go. We still didn't manage to get any ball in the hole. Still. Oh. So the computer already managed to do it. Yeah, because I'm supposed to play solid. I screwed up in here. But yeah, so pool room, collection of 5 pool and snooker games, but you have to send 15 Canadian dollars to get the full version in this case. Oh dear. Bang bang, and there are, we probably know about that we maybe see in the far future. Yeah, for Wind Jackrabbits, Mahjong, Cherry Delight. Oh, maybe this might be the gambling part at least. Even though, just take note, don't gamble. That's supposed to be the thing. Let's see how this will go. Okay, place a bet. Bet 1. Did bet? I was hoping for more noise in here, but this feels a bit like nothing. Let's see, speed setting. Fast, very stop. Okay, very fast. And bet 8. Oh, I did win something. Take or double take. Okay, let's just try to bet everything then. Wait, you cannot do that. You have to actually go. Oh, you cannot go more than that. There should be the playoff charts in here, so 7 usually like this is the jackpot, but then there's other ones. Cherry usually is like, how to say, the basic one, but oh, grapes. Let's double. Oh, the virtual version includes a high-low card game, where you can actually go double nothing. So in this case, you cannot. Let's see if I can actually get broke. At this point, I'm just getting more and more. This is not good. Okay, technically, I did get something, but the thing is, this is usually the minor trick in gambling, or actually in slot machines. Whenever you try to, how to say, bet more, like in this case, I'm betting like 64 coins, and you win something like 16 coins, the game will still, I mean, the machine will say, like, you won, but technically you didn't win. You actually lost. Like, you lost, like, let's say, 48 coins in my case. Like, that's one of the things how the game can work. So it like shows you that you won something, but in reality, you didn't win at all. And that can stack up when you consider, like, how to say, when you try spinning and spinning around, and when you try to just get the bonus, you might get some credits, but then in the end, you technically are still losing. Oh no. It's still going. You would expect at this point that I will actually be broke. And now I'm actually goddamn millionaire under the quotes. At least this is kinda just simple simulated game from Ultimate Software. Whoever it is, you actually have no idea at this point. Yeah, so there are the pair of charts in both cases. The manual is kind of pretty much simple. Registration, how much do they pay? $20. Yeah. Well, it does have some sort of implementation in a way. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, using beyond 30 days it is a serious copyright violation. Besides the moral and legal reasons to register this program, you'll find that registration is quite a bargain. You not only gain the right to continue using the software, but you get several product enhancements and all that stuff. And there's even more. So yeah, video slots that we have already seen. Hot button. To create a collection of frequently needed utilities and programs organized in a way that you would make it easy for you to get them quickly. And then all the slot machines and stuff. Alright, I've seen enough. Why is this still open? It's still open. Oh dear god. Oh, go back. Where's the little robots? I think I've seen some of this, but yeah. Epic Pinball. Source, the Diamond Man, Amuse. Yeah, Amuse Space Bites, that's what I usually like playing. Maybe I'll probably have to do some gameplay of that on a DOSBox maybe in the future. DOSBox usually goes well with playing games like that. But yeah. So yeah, this was the computery Canela, maybe I'm wrong with that, Retro CD. In year 2000, I think. But yeah, made whoever these people are. Okay, we still have that baby with that face on. Alright, I need to switch to another media, so let's switch to... Let me check what I might switch to. Let's see about this. Micro BD. Now let's see how does go with this. We have no, I cannot speak Finnish at all. This is way too confusing. So this is, I guess, the introduction. Wait, this is from the web. Like it's running on Internet Explorer already. Right, so let's see for the game's action point, demo, butcher. Actually, I have seen this game. Let's see if I can actually install that. Let's see. Not sure if I actually mentioned played before or... Oh, you actually have to install the DirectX, which cannot be done for now, so we'll have to do this at some other time. Demon Star, the Galaxy War, Cops, Laser Raider. Wait, I almost thought that this was like, I don't know, like some how to say, face with some red mouth, but they're actually... Wait, can I zoom in? Oh no, I cannot zoom in. Oh wait, magnifier. Just to show it. I need to place it like this, resize like this, with the magnification level, and now we can see. It looks like a face, but it's actually just like two aircrafts and explosion. Nothing much else. Lero, Outpost 9, PNG, Quadnet. Yeah, anything else? Soulstar Attack, Space Tripper, Ultimate Steroids, Adon, Alice Adventure, Case Strikes Back, Colt, Stereo Song, Night Shield, Space Quest, Teen Agent. Oh, Not much. Oh, take out scrolling again. Booming. Let's see if booming. What's that? Okay. Yokohama compared to 2098, 2000, I think. This will install booming. It should be available from start menu. Okay, start a new game. Some nice music. Year 7 year. You cannot play this game more than 7 years during the trial use. What the hell? I've never seen something like this before. So, if I'm not wrong, is this actually really a trial or basically just like the game mode? Let's just see. Okay, company name. Let's see. Let's go with color. 5. I screwed up. I pressed cancel accidentally. Okay, let's see. Finish. So company list, press name. Explanation for the booming start. Skip beat with an anchor key. First, you're going to be the president of a company. Skip beat with an anchor key. You need to lead yourself and your company expand in the marketplace. You have 7 weeks to raise the capital. Here's the staff, and that is business. You have some capital, but it's not enough. First, you have to raise more to fully capitalize the company. The advertising plan raises your company's popularity and proceeds, and it also makes it easier to attract employees. So it's very important. You need funds for the advertising plan until you. Oh dear God. Okay, let's see. Employ 3 people. Raise funds. Employ. Advertise. Raise funds. Employ. And schedule completion. Yeah. Activity for your company. Time should start. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just looking like this and... Let's start to run a company? Oh my god. Buy land, make profit on. Oh god. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No, I'm not going any further. This seems it's going to take forever. Plus, it's probably a build nightmare to work with. Hell no. Not at this point. Maybe only at the point where I actually have to spend like the whole whole day to actually work on that to see how this will go, but not now. That's way too much. So I assume this is more of a strategy, how to say, investment game. Oh, excellent. That's actually what I actually played before. Let's see if I can actually run it. I probably cannot. I could bet that it's going to fail running. But yeah, I actually like playing this game. You can actually see from this. You can just have a snake, but it's 3D, and it fails. Well, that's quick. Okay, let's see more. So we were still somewhere in here, right? Or no, this. Gonzalo, Capman, Destruction, Egg Sucker. Egg Suckers might be the Dynamite from PopCap games, but this is running from. Might be running from. Oh wait, you cannot say display one. No, it's from Raptorsoft. Later it's on PopCap. Let's see if I can run it. Oh no. Oh no. It's gone. Such a shame. I don't really like the game. I did play Dynamite, so yeah, that's why I actually liked it. Well, we'll still see if I can actually manage to run some on the time. I'll probably have to switch to Windows XP or some later version of Windows to actually run some of these games. Or even experiment running Linux with Wine. We'll see. Because in this case, running things on Windows 98 on alone might usually fail, as most of those are kind of still 3D. He was world champion. Okay, let's go with this. Yes, and it fails. Damn it. Let's see for Flight Simulator, maybe. Well, okay, let's try it like this. But where it's actually extracting stuff to add. Wait, that's the game. That's the other championship game. It's it's gone somewhere. I don't know. Okay, back to the city again. But this. Okay, this is just like the whole list of the games, I think. And this is probably the classic. Alright, at least Blobs is the game that I know that will run. The file has expired. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Wait. Just a moment. Let's just put it 180. Ah, now it works. Very odd to see that this game actually it does expire at any point. So if I actually set it to some longer date, it's actually going to end up failing. So at 2099, the game won't run. At least in this case, I can actually run it. So if you actually didn't figure out, it's basically a simple peg salter game. But it can actually get some fun. Like with the sucking sound. Usually if you try to just fail like this quickly. So wait, how many moves? So just 2 moves and it's already sucked out. But yeah, it was under the NCY Entertainment Network. But this thing like was quite large as far as I remember. They had like a few more games like Kangaroo, Click and Slide, and I forgot what else. I mean, they did the Blobs, but oh yeah, and I think there's one for the All Out. But yeah, mostly the puzzle games, the simple ones, more or less. Oh, and Kyodai Mahjong. That's one of the games that I also like to play. It's kind of more classic, but we'll see if it's actually going to run. Let's see. We'll go just with this for now. Ah, it seemed to work well. Wait, let me check if I can actually play it for a bit. Oh. Ah. It can actually work even in 3D. Oh. But it will take forever that I can actually solve this, so I'll stop it here. But there are more games that I'm aware. So yeah, there's 2-player, there's the Rivers. This might be a bit more simpler as far as I'm aware. Actually have to just, how to say, connect it from the sides. Wait, or it's something else, I cannot remember. I actually have to remember like the combination in this case. I know there's like one point in here that was needed, but wait. Ah, yeah. So at least being on the same line more or less, like on the outside. We'll see if we can actually figure out maybe a few more. Yeah. I might be able to finish this off maybe a bit more quickly, or... Actually, no, I don't think I have more time. I'll just try to show it for a bit. Oh, I think I need to see, maybe. Okay, you can figure out the memory per clicks. The same game, more or less. The slider, just placing all the stuff in a pattern until you get, I think, 4 or 5. Ashira is a... I think it's like color type game. They actually have to have this match in this way. Just 3 in a row, more or less. In Tom.K, I think it's a slider game. We actually have to have to say... Let's see... 3 in a row, yeah. So yeah, and also in that, on any of those how to say screens, you also have like one of those how to say mega characters in here. I think it's also an option in here. Let me just check. Because I think I did see something like the option for that in here. That's for the effects. Yeah, show mega girls. That's the option for showing each one of those on the side. If I actually can enable all effects. Yeah, this is kind of a bit more, how to say, a bit less of, has less effects than the new versions of Kyodai Mahjong. If we actually manage to see one in the future, we'll probably see that some of those can have more animations. But yeah, usually it's very nice game, and very nicely made. There's also the 2D version. Wait, that's actually the... Yeah, that's basically more lightweight. So it's always nice to actually have more options in here. So even this works on the older versions like Windows 98. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah, I also didn't check for the price for this game. Let's see. Everything help. Perpetual fee updates. 22.95. Considering that the price $20 or €20. I would say that this is quite fine overall. Because as far as I've tried the game, it's a quite nice game to play. Magic Games Collection, Maze Quest, Match Blocks, Pie, Puzzles, what reverse state of what? Okay, I think that's enough for the games. What else in here? El Morale. Let's try that one. Error. A fatal error has occurred. Quick to quit. Abnormal program termination. We'll never see anything about L morale in this case. So, virtual yes man and Lackey for 15 runs of itself. Then there's also an auto insult. So what's this then? You need to specify which language to use. Okay, let's go with American. Let's see how terrifying it is. Thanks for using auto insult. We really hope that if you find it, we really hope you find it useful and will decide to register it. You may evaluate auto insult for a period for no more than 14 days and for no more than 50 uses, or after which you must either register it or uninstall it. Okay. May 27 hygienically challenged compulsive liars hijack our aircraft in your shoes. Okay, let's see again, please. May 47 droopy postman undress while you hire a hitman. Again. May 8 incompetent bell dancers tickle your feet in your home. Not sure if those sound like auto insults, but yeah, those are actually Arabian. Let's see Shakespearean. Thou logger-headed spore-galled dogfish. Thou who risen fat kidney death token. Thou surly empty-headed pastillarian. Okay, let's do modern. This option is disabled until you raise the offensiveness level. Just use the preferences command on the options menu. Oh, so that's it. So that's actually the case. And Mediterranean. Oh, that's also disabled. Okay, let's see. Let's get. Well, onto solve the officer line at downright obscenity and racial slurs. Some of the content is certainly not politically correct. You have been elected to enable features of auto insult that some people have been offended by, namely the modern and Mediterranean styles of insult. If you find these styles upset, then you can easily turn them off again or stop using the program entirely. You have been warned. Oh dear. Let's see. You deranged sack of worm-infested carb guts. Close. What next? You useless skip of unpleasant snake innards. Again, please. You insane skip of flea-infested used handkerchiefs. Again. You total descendant of yeasty frog's legs. Oh. You loutish tank of reeky dead parrots. You disgraceful assortment of flea-bitten hippo vomit. You grotesque chunk of mildewed rat boogies. Or bogies. They can make some sense in some ways and sometimes. Not sure how far it might be offensive, but yeah, it can be offensive in some way. Your mother was a demented shop assistant who served a life sentence in the gut. What? Your mother joke on it again. Blue-haired clown who used to be violently and copiously sick in the Sherwood Forest. Block of concrete who opened the animal sanctuary amongst the cavemen in a time loop. Oh dear, so much of it. How a mugger. Secret society of autocratic Scientologists and wander aimlessly in your fridge. Not the great timing. Water aimlessly in your fridge is something the least that we can actually have because we already had the experience that actually in real life, at least in the neighborhood, at least. Serbia had their president coming out of the fridge live on TV and also in the election commercials, so we already experienced that. We do not want to experience that again. That's way more offensive. I'd like to be insulted every 10 seconds. Okay. Every 10 seconds. Go ahead. Oh. May 16 on Rex 6 jockeys learn a Latin in mouthwash. Okay, stop. Yeah, I think that at least Shakespearean and modern might fit the most. And then you can actually register it for how much was it? Oh, you cannot see it from here. Let's see it here. From by a jumping armadillo software. Training name for Convalescent Limited. You can actually generate the offensive, how to say, sentences. Yeah, that's it. And registering is for 40 bucks. Yeah. Okay. Pretty much simple, but it might not be always effective. Auto realm. I don't think I would like that. Gemples. What the hell is that? Bring me. I'll have to do download and run the file. Okay. Turn off the active desktop. That's off. Oh yeah, Gemples. That's on the Gemples screensaver. Okay, what's that? And test. Oh, so it's basically just some kind of like animation or some kind of visual effect. But that also means like just a moment. So if I try this, oh, it doesn't support overlays on your overlays in this case. Let's see. High detail. Full screen. High detail. Yeah, so it actually doesn't have to go full screen like completely. Let's see again. So it's just like a bit of a visual effect, nothing much else. What else does it do? Yeah, just basically that. Oh, and it's absolutely free for use. For any commercial purpose, you actually have to require permission. So yeah, I'm fine with that at least. It's nice to have something for free for once. Genesis 2. Is that another screensaver? Okay, let's keep continuing while it's installing. It seems like a screensaver. HTML help. And oh yeah, the usual stuff. Alright, let's see. For this, it has to be a screensaver, right? It's what was it? Genesis. Oh, it's not here. So that's not it. Continue. Did you know using an XY offset for clouds can reduce artifacts? Oh. 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 So that's for the landscape. So basically generating a landscape in this case. Let's see. So that's rendered. Wait. What this can actually. So wait, can you actually set anything in here? But because it doesn't seem like that can do anything. It's for the camera, atmosphere. Wait, if I try to render, does this even work or? Let's see. When I try to change the colors like this, will it actually make any effect or nothing at all? Okay, it does actually work. So you can actually manage to generate things around in here. But rendering the feels kind of awkward. Wait, if try to draw vegetation, still nothing. Preview. Hmm. Because it feels somewhat like something's still missing. That seems like the landscape is in question. But in here it also feels something wrong. Like, am I supposed to set something in here, or... Let's see if I try to set something. Doesn't make anything. This might take even a while to actually figure out. Maybe is there any like sample maybe on here? There are some templates that I could actually use. Let's try with that. If there are any. I actually have to find them. Unity 2 samples. Oh, come on, templates. Let's see from here. So was that from here? Okay, here, templates, samples. I mean, those actually look quite good, but how do you actually replicate them in this case? Because I cannot even do that. I mean, I can render it and all that, but when I actually make a new project, how do you actually make... Oh, does it do anything here? Oh, come on. So that's not working. Cannot render, camera. Import environment settings. That should work. Okay, template 2. Now render it. Wait, environment wizard. Winter's day, more snow expected. Yeah, let's load that. Please let me. Nah. I mean, it does change something, but like you can have sunrise on Mars, but the items are non-existent. And you're also like missing the items also, I guess. So yeah, very confusing still to work with. Oh yeah, forgot to check the comments. Shandy 66, I used to have a full version of that marking game. I don't know what happened to this though. Well, you might be able to find a copy of the game still on archive.org. Most likely it's still there. And for the key, I hope you still have like the old key in some way, so you could be still able to play it again. I just don't know if the versions might actually differ with the keys, so that's maybe a minor issue. Let me continue. Hieroglyph library. That should at least maybe show the symbols. While it's still installing, let's see for the art screenscapes. Okay, this should also have some malicious stuff, I guess, because it's for screensavers.com. And I think that was the one that had like lots of spam messages and lots of, how to say, ad bundle stuff. Oh, and it crashed. Let me try again. Oh wait, this is still in progress. Let's wait until this is done. Okay, that's still. Not sure what this stuff in here. Oh wait, that might be still the overview, or let's. Oh wait, the music. So I'm not sure if this is like maybe just like I would say reviews of the programs, I guess, but I cannot figure out at all in this case. Oh, that's the Nokia test. Let me try also that. Oh. Alright, so I'm just trying to check this because I was trying to see if there's like some kind of, how to say, a screen for testing the display, so I can actually see that the monitor might actually for the display of the virtual machine that can match the OBS, because I have to crop few parts. But for some it seems, I'm not sure if it's actually supporting Full HD or widescreen in this case. It might be more preferred for the how to say, letterbox instead. This was used. This test was used for the CRT displays, I think, like for the consistency and so on. I think it's called for convergence. Yeah. Resolution. Oh, that's giving some quite strong motor effect. Oh yeah, that's also for motor effect. If you actually have like the smaller, if you're actually watching it on anything less than Full HD, you'll probably see some odd visual effects. Brightness contrast. Let me just first try installing this again. Oh no, it crashes. So no screenscapes for us apparently. Oh wait, there is. Oh no, it crashes. Okay, so so this is supposed to be. So basically, this is just like trying to show the hieroglyphs in here, one by one. But that can actually even go. That even goes to like how to say more confusing. So I guess this is like how do you say it? BT hyper BT abbreviation for king. But yeah, as you keep going, you can actually you can figure out things in here. Moo. No. So Nokia knocked the connection or something. Is the not Bart is this still going on, or because I'm not sure if it's actually like killing off the connection completely or not. But if that's actually able to kill the connection like that, that's kind of awkward. Because I actually did manage to set this time I actually did manage to set the streaming of the bit rate to 2.5 kilobytes per second, so 2.4, wait, actually 2.5 megabytes per second. Okay, thanks Notbart, and thanks Sean DC. But yeah, so basically you cannot actually figure out like the whole sentence, but you can actually figure out maybe like what might each symbol do. But there's kind of a lot of those, and it's kind of not easy to navigate around. There seems to be like other most categories in here also. Let's see, change type. Signs depicting people, man seated, woman seated, god seated, goddess with feather on head, man seated with hand to mouth, kneeling in moderation, official set leather grip, man leaning on forked stick, old man leaning on stick, official ball fail, man building wall, man gesturing, man with arms, man woman give it birth. Oh dear god. Mommy on beer? Figure of the moon. Oh, they can also register. Not sure with the limitations though. Wheel chick, sun disc, single stroke, throw stick, umpire's roll, writing equipment, ideas gonna scribe. Okay, so okay, even though it might still look somewhat confusing, it might take, it's not like solid UAX, but you can see like the description from the status bar. It's like showing the symbol type of the currently selected hieroglyph, the description, the selected hieroglyph, description of it, the transliteration, so I actually have to say it, and approximation of how to say the currently selected hieroglyph. Wait. Transliteration or rough approximation? Oh, so I'm actually doing it wrong. Copy glyph? Wait, if you copy it, where does it actually get pasted? Oh, so you can actually copy paste like this. So basically writing. Wait, so you can actually say like writing vessel like this. I don't know. But that can be like kind of like nice trick in some way. I didn't see many games actually using any kind of like, I would say, puzzle with Egyptian hieroglyphs in this case. And this could be actually useful in that. Yeah, and this also like to help with 1C, 2C, and 3C. So the symbol in the question is either one consonant, or consonant symbol. Yeah, so just say consonant. The particular symbol represents either 1, 2, or 3 letters of the Egyptian alphabet. For example, above one is the consonant symbol, over 2 consonant symbol, and 3 consonant symbol. Oh, so basically just with the consonants here. Oh, gee. But you cannot actually figure out for registration here. Let me check in here. What they say? Just see how much does it actually cost. It was written from 1998. Oh, what the hell's going on now? I kind of lost the option in here to actually switch back, so we'll see. Let me check again. It says not only for 98, tested on 95, 98 and me, not tested on NT, so careful. But not planning to listen for any other systems. Just run it. A registered version when run. Free for charge to anyone who wishes to use it. We did add the registration feature, so you can go to the GeoCities. Oh, you cannot open it. Then click register software. Registered software loads faster than unregistered software. So that was the reason why it was loading so slowly. No problem to share it. Do not charge any fee for the software. Do not modify the software. Let us know about it. And it's provided as is, no warranty. Now they want to thank Mark Collier and Bill Manley on how to read Egyptian hieroglyphs, British Museum Press, 998, for teaching them how to read and understand the ancient and mysterious language. Diamond H at Yahoo.com for the use of his yellow papyrus icons and many other useful icons. Hans Vandenberg for the hieroglyphic pictures using this software, and Click Team for using the software. So that actually reminds me why this kind of looked so familiar with. For the, oh wait, no, not that. For that was for the installer software. That's the other story. And then thanking everyone who downloaded the previous versions of the software. 75,000 at this point. And yeah, got the feedback and all that stuff. But how much does it cost? Free of charge. Oh, so this is actually free, but not registered. So that's something rare. I haven't seen that before. Ah. Okay, what else, what else, what else? Something from music maybe in here. That's just for setting up. Okay, so here, this is software, and this is for the internet, I guess. Okay. Don't. Okay, I'll just pick a dialer. We'll go with the usual thing. I know that this will not work because I don't have an actual hardware modem. But let's see what this will do. Okay, it's ready to connect to the internet, even though was more or less connected to the internet before. So let me just tell me what this did. Okay, so this actually added the DMV internet ISP. Oh, this is actually mine. But so basically with the phone number based on these locations. So basically each one of those can be actually used to actually make a connection. Not sure if you can actually, oh, you cannot. So connect your data on, and then you're online. Well, if you actually had the modem and all that stuff. This is for the email. Just had IRC. Adequate, actually like the bon ton, or actually etiquette for the internet stuff that I cannot read. Just basically means don't be a jerk, I guess. And then more stuff about that. And I think that's it for this part. Okay, I think we can actually maybe check might check maybe one more game, or we might check one more CD. Yeah, we'll check one more CD instead. That will might take a bit more. Okay, instead of actually going with the finished stuff, we'll finish off with the creation stuff. Never mind that. Ignore that. That always occurs when the Windows actually tries to restart them from the drive while you actually ejecting it. So in this case, it's nothing fatal. So you only can just press escape and you'll technically terminate the thing. So let me just try to add one more thing in here. I just need to find it. Hmm. Give me a few moments until I actually manage to find something. Come on. I'm trying just to find a copy of the thing. Let me see if I actually did something here. This might be actually too new. This is like 2004, and this might actually break things in here. There's like this is for the making website, but that's not going to work. Oh. I don't think we can actually handle the babes in here now. This is still like probably going to be adult stuff. This about the light, this projection, special effects. Let's see that for that. This projection. Okay, add this. Well, you're not doing anything yet. So just explaining things in here, but you're not showing anything gore. Well, I cannot click anything in here. So apparently it's trying to show things in here, but I think that's broken apparently. Oh. Okay, that explains it. We actually couldn't even see it. But I think apparently that's pretty broken in here. So I assume that this is supposed to like show the images around like for the special effects and extra stuff, but it doesn't work. For the sidebar, oh, that doesn't work. Grand Tour screensaver, maybe that will work. OpenGL, Windows NT, preferred. Well, hopefully it will work on 98. I mean, 2004 was still the year that had the support for Windows 98, I think. Wait, screen decent sounds. It should be on this. Oh, wait, that's the jump pulse. Oh, yes, flyer, no. Oh wait, that's this decent sounds most likely. Oh god damn it. Don't touch my computer. Oh. From NC buy again. At least that should work because it's at least it's supposed to be functional, I guess. Wait, is this supposed to open or? Okay, I cannot see the window for this. So that's also a problem. So much of stuff. Oh. Intro sounds, no barking. Yeah, keep it on and let's see. Oh, that's the second. I think that was like also the first summer. Or let's see summer. So I need to step away from my computer for a few minutes. Doug was put in charge and keep distance. Well, Java is on duty in this case. So if I try to move a mouse at any point, things will go wrong, most likely. As Watchdog isn't on a duty. Feels like a nice dog though. Oh. Spoke too soon. And yeah, press S for exit, and then but you're gonna press M. I actually get they also the same menu in here before. But yeah. And then escape to exit. But I'm not sure if actually it's not going to make any effect until the actual guy leaves. So that's the thing. What else can we see? Change the wood screen. I think that's for the XP only. Wait. Requires Windows version 9.0 or later. So that basically means that this requires version of actually requires Windows 10 or later. Because the version 9, if we go with versions like 9.0 and all that, that actually means like we will actually have to be like 9 versions far away. In this case, 98 is like 4.1, 4.10 or something like that. I think that Windows Me is like 4.30. Windows 2000 is version 5 NT, or that, and XP is 5.1. Longhorn is 5.2, and then in somewhere around that, then the Longhorn kind of switched to 6.0, and then Vista was 6.0. Windows 7 is 6.1. Windows 8 was 6.2. Windows 10 is 6.3, and then later versions have switched to version 10, and then later like that. And I think this is one of the cases where Windows was named as Windows from Windows 8 to 8.1 instead of Windows 9 in this case, because that will actually try to represent as version 9.0. So that's probably the case. Maybe. We'll actually have to see that maybe to see if that's actually true or not. This for generative flash screen, but we'll skip that for now. Email, that's for the P2P thing, but we cannot try that for now. Shell for the Internet Explorer. I think this will probably break because this probably requires Internet Explorer 6. Oh, and we can also install some bloatware. Oh. Oh dear god, just skip. Oh dear god, skip that, all stuff that's not needed. Okay, enable all that, and things seem to work. Along with this being on. Okay, you can cancel that. I don't have to be connected all the time with this. But apparently, this seems to work. Actually. Okay, it does work. I'm just checking it with About Mozilla, which is still the blue screen of that. Just the blue color, that is. Okay, just checking then comments again. From Sean, the registration page for the hieroglyph program wasn't saved by Wayback Machine. Seems like the author deleted it because even an archive from 2001 says the patient page wasn't found. So apparently you cannot actually find a copy of it at this point. But you have to take note that GeoCities was not well archived. Many things were there kind of, how to say, lost, I would say. Like, there are many things that did stay archived, but for most of the things that I actually managed to find back then are gone, as far as I know. So that's kind of regretful in some ways. But yeah, at any point, we know that for now we are actually have it archived in some way. Let me just drink for a bit. This should be like the final, how to say. Alright, that's the final one, I guess. It's for the telnet or secure shell client. I mean, I did usually use putties back in Windows, but for now, the console is sufficient in our case. This is for cleaning the trails. For fractals, thumbnails, sound enter, tracker, MP3, and all that. Editor, Winamp, partition imager, speed up. Oh, let's see how this will speed up. Oh, you cannot find it. Yeah, that's obvious. So that's not going to work. Set indexer, clean radic tree. Let's see how much we can screw up the registry in this case. If it's actually going to work. Wait, what else can you actually use? Well, yeah, that's basically all in here. Whichever, register today. Okay, use PayPal, use whatever register, just run. Oh dear god, just running even that's not sufficient. Oh, this thing is still open and I cannot close it. Oh, wait. If you click it again, it's going to reset the timer. Oh no. This for connection, start mechanic. Let's clean up. Edit image files, quick zip. Here's army, H castles, Ice Age. Oh, school tycoon. That's actually what I usually played. We'll see if I can actually run that. Well, hotel. Well, we'll see. Let's try to destroy the system if possible. Let's see what we can do. If we can actually click on something. Okay, the thing broke beyond anything. So either this thing actually won't work, or it actually thinks that it has expired for whichever reason. Because I have no idea what's going on. It's not actually doing anything. Expired my Matrix program in Microsoft Journal and needs to clean up the registry. By Armstrong Systems House Inc. 1997 2002, version 3. Well, it will be nice that we can see that if this can actually even work. Oh, 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 whoa! That's something I didn't expect. So wait, don't click on this. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Okay, that's very confusing in this case. But that's basically kind of more or less like a... What? This is still like a more like just a registry editor. But for cleaning up. Whoa, is it working or... Oh, dear God. Scrolling here is a nightmare again. Okay, this might be something that I'll try to play with later in the end, maybe. See if I can actually destroy something or not. And there's like 4 local creation software here. So little hotel. Yada. So this is basically just for managing hotel stuff, I guess. Whatever this thing is. Pieces cache, another posting. Where is it? You cannot reserve, you cannot do that. You cannot do that either because you actually have to create a room, I guess. Oh dear God, there are so many illegal things in here that you don't actually have to bother. Ah, gee. These postings are usually horrifying to work on. How old is that even? And there are not much things for the how to say, for the currencies either. Oh. Just lots of maintenance and trouble. Mediatek, calculations. Maybe this should be like, this should be simple for just calculating the voltage and the current. For electricity, that is. It's a free program. You can actually... Oh, hold on a second. So I actually have to like get for the... I actually have to send the email to this to get the registration password. And I cannot actually try this without that. Oh, dear God. They couldn't actually even include that either in here. And then it's for remember and all that. Okay, let's see for the Tycoon. It probably might fail on the Windows 98, but for the hell of it, let's see. Oh yeah, and I still have to try destroying it. Okay, more comments from Sean. In 2004, the latest version of Windows was XP, which had a version number 5.1. Not sure what it meant by saying you needed version from 9.0. Seems that it's meant that it's meant to list invalid registry entries, but it's not very user friendly. You're right on both. For version 9.0, I just have to expect that they just meant like 9.8. Actually, that doesn't fit either. It really doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's just install this and maybe just destroy the school for a bit. If we can... Oh, we cannot do that. Probably requires DirectX. Yikes. Alright. Oh, it crashed. Well, that doesn't manage to do the thing. Let's see. Okay, let me try to maybe... So what we can actually use to actually try to break the system? Well, maybe... Let's see, just try to run this once again and see if I can actually manage to get this thing on or not. In the meantime, maybe I can run something else. Oh, actually now it managed to load much faster. Now let's see. All files in the registry. Oh, available only in gold release. You expect me that I actually have to pay for this thing? And how much? How much do I have to pay now? Doesn't say it here. PayPal. $19 for this. Bleh. If I actually cannot figure out how this thing works, well, I can kind of give us excuse for pressure though. But wait, let's see for this option. Just one. Nope, only gold release. This item shall not be on the list. No action available. Okay, let's see if I press delete. Okay, I'm just going like randomly deleting stuff. Let's see if this will actually survive the reboot. And how far it will actually manage to work. I shouldn't go like completely around because that will probably break even more things. But this actually mentions like all files in the registry though. So yeah, if you try to click in here, wait, what? It will actually just ask you to delete, but if you try to press delete, oh, it will just let you delete. No problem, man. Alright, let's see how much damage we have done with this. We'll just make a simple restart. Alright, it doesn't seem that this will work because this thing probably is nagging you just to make sure that you can finish the install that you cannot see. Well, might as well kill this. Kill this. Now restart. Oh, how much do I have to kill? Are you kidding me? You must quit this program before you quit Windows. Click OK to quit the program and Windows, but you cannot because it doesn't let you to kill it. Oh, not work. No comment on that one, to be honest. No comment. So I have no idea if this actually managed to delete anything. So let's make a longer range of things to delete. It did die again. Oh, damn it. For me, it actually keeps saying like excellent connection on YouTube, but nothing much else. Either that or my router is pretty stupid. Or it's my VPS, I don't know. I even actually forgot to stream it on Twitch and Kick, but yeah, at this point it's not a big deal. We'll stream that maybe some other time also. Alright, let's see if we can actually go a bit deeper with deleting stuff. Hmm. Okay, we need to go a bit further. I really think that it should be it's just listing the everything in the registry, like for the files, because it does says in the title all files in the registry. It doesn't say all wrong files or missing files. So yeah, Sean, you might be right about that still. Maybe I'm from the wrong perspective, but still, you might be still correct. I'm not sure if I should actually try to finish the mysterious forest in the end. Maybe just to see how does it end, if I actually manage to do that. Well, I might as well even do that. So enjoy the noise. Actually, let's not go with the noise because that's gonna be annoying as hell. Oh, not that immediately. Oh dear, I just began. Oh dear. Okay, let's delete a bit more in the meantime. Is it possible to just select all? No, you cannot select all. It's only available in gold release. Yeah, select all. Available only in gold release. Select interested one with file. Only in gold release. And I cannot actually find anything about the gold release. Oh, it crashed. Okay, I think we did destroy something, so let's at least finish this off. Okay, I'll probably have to save a bit further at this point. Oh wait. Does that mean that I cannot hear the sounds also? We'll have to see. Oh. Okay. Okay, that shouldn't fit more than needed. Okay. Help you, yeah. Now we have to find the old man. Oh, wait, I cannot actually go. I have to actually visit the grandma first. Alright, and let's save again. Because dear god, I don't actually want to go all over again in this case. I'm not sure how much of health this thing actually has at this point. It might be possible that I actually have to feed it a bit more than the given limit. Oh wait, no, that's for the tree. Not here, I have to go up. Oh, no, not again. Also, the YouTube doesn't help me with their live chat, because as far as I'm trying to read your message, like the last thing that I can see is like blocked by the reaction part, like the reaction button. But but I just thought about using the uBlock origin to just remove that part, so now I can actually read your message, Sean. So yeah, so it froze for 15 seconds, jump back. Yeah, so it's a streaming issue overall. And going to the top and holding shift, so that should work. Oh, sorry, you meant that for the cleaner reg. Sorry, I kept forgetting. Not for the game. No, don't close. Okay. Okay, let's go back in here. Okay, I know that you said that you actually want to, how to say, go with all files. Oh. All files here. So yeah, I'll try to select one and then somewhere in here. So that's gonna take a while. Oh, that actually did. Let's press delete and we'll keep going. Wait, I actually managed to go through here, whichever. So that's strange. You didn't actually let me before, but now it... Okay, awkward. Okay, let's just save in here and get with the old man. While everything is getting deleted. Oh, not again. Okay, old man. Right, excellent. Okay, another stage of deletion. Oh, come on. Go up. Oh. And go delete again. Okay, again. Oh, now strawberry. I know that now I cannot see the text here. That's getting scary. Oh no, I can just run. Kill. So strawberry again. Save. This for whatever jam. Oh wait, I have to get for the tree that's in here. All right, that now I have that. Just go back. Okay, this is soon close to getting destroyed. So we'll try to just keep this selected and just finish off this first, and then we can see. Should finish it off. Oh, damn it. Okay, rest of the Oh, okay, now it can work. Save. GG, hello. Oh. Oh, is it my little Red Riding Hood? I'm her friend. Must be Little Red Riding Hood. That must be the girl I met. I'm her friend. Her friend coming in. Was in no way similar to the grandmother's, but Gigi entered the house anyways. The grandmother was sleeping on the bed. The little red hiding hood got what's this? Oh dear me. What an unfortunate accident. Come to me a little bit closer, little kid. Oh Granny, why do you have such big ears? To hear much better bit. And why do you have such big eyes to see much better? And yada yada yada. And why do you have such a big mouth to eat you much better with? With that, the wolf is discussing as Granny jumped out of bed and lived on the top of Gigi. At that moment, Gigi planned through the hottest stream berry into the wolf's mouth. The overripe berry sizzled as it oozed out of its red juice into the wolf's mouth. Fugia! That felt wrong. And did sound wrong. The wolf ran madly around the room. After he ran into the wall and backed his head several times, he lost unconscious. I did it. Now what should I do? Where is Granny? It seems that she's already been swallowed by the wolf. I have to help her out. Get something out of the wolf's stomach. Oh no, we have to still keep going. Oh, what's this? You returned. You must be a ghost. Oh. Shame on the rabbit. Okay, now let's see what I have to actually get in touch with. I can actually find. And I think, oh, God be with you, but not sure what else to do now. Okay, what's does they? Oh, Miss Markenhead has finished harvesting silver wine fruits and is about to go home. Excuse me, but will you lend me a pair of scissors? No problem. What are you going to use it for? I need to. What? You thought that Devious wolf? Since that wolf came to this forest has been restless. Thank you. Gigi receives a pair of scissors. Oh, by the way, take this video. Gigi receives still 5 silver wine fruits. Thank you very much. Finish lunch. Oh, no, don't have that music. I don't want to hear the music while fighting either. Oh. God damn. Oh, not again. Out of all things that I've seen for the enemies, this dog is the most annoying thing ever. To flip to cut the wolf's stomach, and when it was opened, Granny fell out, still alive. Still sounds like a true nightmare if you actually see that in real life. Dear me, what happened? The last thing I remember is being assaulted by a wolf. Amen. Granny, you're safe. I pulled you out from the wolf's stomach. Is that what happened? Thank you, dear. We must teach this wolf a lesson. They went outside and picked some large stones, put them into the wolf's stomach, and sewed the stomach up. He'll be surprised when he wakes up. This will teach the wolf a lesson. He he he. Ha ha ha. Grandma, Granny, sorry. Oh, my little Red Riding Hood. I heard from Mr. Rabbit that you got away from that wolf. I was so worried that I ran all the way over here. My dear, you didn't have to come. You didn't have to come being crude like that. But we were lucky. We are very thankful for what you did. It wasn't so much trouble. Please live with each other and live a happy life. The wolf seems to have gotten fed up and moved out of this forest. When I looked at this morning, there were some big footprints leading out of the forest. We could live peacefully again. If not so much, but as a token of our gratitude, please accept this. The little red handed Gigi her handkerchief. Thank you. Blush. Ooh. I'll better get going. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Oh. And come visit us again. And then I left the little Red Riding Hood and went to continue on this journey. The forest seems to continue growing ever deeper. What could be waiting for me in a forest this deep? I might still just be at the edge of it. I see a mountain over there, some distance away. Could the country of the fish be that way, or could it be? Gigi's journey will still continue. I think. Continue. Gigi and the Mysterious Forest, Chapter 1. The end. Meet me again in the next chapter. Program scenario and music. Gigi Nifty Sir JCD 82376. Copyright Gigi 1994. Special text Nitaris DZ. Voice of DZ. NSTN Michan. Mad V Max Super. And English translation Nini NIF HTC 00417. Thanks for your time. Come play with me again. Bye bye and oops, go back. Bye bye. And finally, hopefully, bye bye to this system either. Delete. Hopefully done. Got a headache for a bit. Just few more seconds until the system is most likely destroyed. Most likely. Cannot say that things will work. Let's see. Let's open help. Oh, okay, help doesn't work. Okay, let's open control panel. Cannot say that that will work. Printers? Nope. Explorer maybe? Minute player? Nope. Internet Explorer? Oh, that crashed. Auto Explex? The identity logic will not be started. Some components are missing or incorrectly configured. It will not start because it might not be installed correctly. Make sure that your disk is not full or you're out of memory. This Outlook Express cannot be started because MSOIDL will not be initialized. It's not installed correctly. Okay, let's close this. Okay, let's try to... Wait. There's no program associated to perform this action. Create an association in my computer by clicking View and then clicking further options. But you cannot open this or this, or cannot explore. No association. What else? Auto insult. That still works. But for whatever reason. Examples. Oh, text or something missing. Show desktop still here, but the icon is gone. Let's see if we can actually change the icon. Things are still here, but... So you can still kind of explore in some way, but not the way that you expect. Does my icon work? Yeah, no, that's gone. Lots of error going on. That still works. CleanRec still works, unfortunately. Update, nope. Okay, let's just restart. Let's see how far it will boot. I think that will just stay on the wallpaper only without Explorer. So login in this case, and that's it. Oh, Explorer is gone. And we have nothing else to do in here. So basically that's gone. Okay, I think that's enough for today. It's even quite late at this point. Plus, I have to pack up as I'm going to the conference soon, in a few days. Also in the next month, as I'm still trying to also search for jobs and apply. Hopefully, I'll manage to find something in the meantime. Just to note, it's not like that I'm not doing anything. I'm also still, how to say, developing some apps, like for the Android mostly, so that I can actually improve my experience. Don't expect that I'm not doing anything. I'm still more trying to prioritize over getting a job so that I can actually still continue making videos at any point. But yeah, at this point, and well, at this point, enjoy the kid and the health of the Windows in this case. The next time that I might stream might be, well, when I manage to get a job, hopefully. In the meantime, well, you can stay tuned and all that. I'll try to see if I can actually still find out about more things and even figure out what else I might make. So unfortunately, no screensaver by now because I cannot load the. Wait. I think I might be able to actually do something. Damn it. Okay. We'll go with command prompt only. Not do. There. And where was it? I actually cannot remember for the games. Let's see from my program, maybe. What was the? I'm trying to find the Bats game, maybe if I can actually try to get that running. But I cannot remember where it was actually installed. So that's actually kind of troubling here. Hmm. Can actually find it like this. No, that's not in here. Cleaner. Genesis has arrow. No. Is that it? I could actually figure out about finding the file in some way, but I cannot remember if there's any command for that. Does find work? Okay, let's see. Find wait, does this actually mention search? Wait, well, this is like, oh, this is just searching for the for the for the string, and actually cannot actually find the file. Let's see. Search file. Okay, let's see. There. Which the symbol is for the quote? Wait. Okay. Okay, that works. So that we should be able to find. It should be named bat, so we only have to find the location of that. Whew. So that we can actually end up this with some visual effects at least. It's still trying to look. Or I am actually missing something out. But don't tell me that you actually cannot find the file. Oh, it actually managed to find. Okay, we managed to find the file, so let's go see. No, dear God. Okay, VGA demo. So at least the doctor can actually enjoy this. Oh, wait. Just a moment. Let me try to see something. Okay, I don't know if this might work, but wait. Where the hell is it? Where the hell am I? Okay. Okay, loop. GA a demo. XC. It might be XC, I think, but or just without that. I think it works without that. And then go to loop. Save. Test add. Exit. Test. And I might be able to at least see some effects in here while I'm trying to at least finish off the stream. So yeah, 514. So basically, I ran the cleanreg tree file that's basically train wreck, because you have to like wait for 30 seconds to click. Plus, you actually had to, how to say, even wait for a while to actually load all of the registry files, and then specifically the worst thing. Oh dear God, the worst thing. select all is like for gold version only and all that stuff. So in the end I just decided to delete all the most of the registry entries that were listed as files. So it actually had a window that listed all registry and registry key values, actually registry keys with values of file paths or file locations, that is. So you could actually able to just delete most of those and basically destroy the system in that way. So in the meantime, you're enjoying the how I forgot how they call those things, but they're very nice. The interludes, yeah. So the all three, but this from here it should be kind of random. I don't think that's actually able to. I don't think it's actually able to change it any other. Oh, sorry. So yeah, in the end, so I just destroyed the system as much as possible, and just to end the stream, in this case, I went with the interlude so that I can actually have some visual effects while discussing things in the end, instead of having that crazy baby thing on the side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the stream, I think. So enjoyed a few more minutes and bye. I think that's it, y'all. Yeah, I think that's it. Bye. Thanks also for watching. Thanks again, and bye.